you might prefer something, and you, Gabo, might prefer a specific direction. Mauro might prefer another one. Dal might prefer another one as well. How do you go about it?
At the end of the day, we vote, and
Okay.
usually there's always two against one, so that the matter is decided there.
Yeah, being three, that's a very cool advantage because there's always a bigger part of the decision.
Yeah, besides we know each other so well that there are no ego whatsoever around an idea. We don't fall in love on our own ideas. So if Mauro tells me I don't like what you are doing, it's okay because I know that he's coming from a place that we are all together going to the same direction, right? So if he's saying I don't like it, it's because it's not good.
Yeah,
It
So
might not
it's
be
okay.
working, yeah.
I'm going to do another thing, or let's go in another direction, right? So there's no. It's not like an artist or a band or some that one comes with an idea and I want to do my idea, because it's not like that, right? It's what's best for drop music branding or for our clients. What's best for drop music branding is what's best for our clients. And if drop music branding is okay, the three of us are okay. There is no copyright behind that.